Kailangan ko kasi. Hindi ako magmula.
Maputi siya. Okay, guys. Hindi natin alam yung feeling niya. Kaya ako tatlo. Sandal.
Say stop. Sige lang.
Wala akong dalang body kaya yan na lang.
Pareho kami ni Doc ng sunscreen.
Ah. Ano yung kanya?
Yung Japanese yun.
Meron tayo kapatid niya.
Hindi.
Sa mga, right. Ito nga yung beto. Ito rin ba? Ay, hindi. Okay.
Ayos, gusto ko. Ano, ang dami ata.
Ay, saya.
Hanggang sa leeg ko. Hanggang sa leeg ko.
Ayan, nag-white cast na talaga.
Maliligo ata ako.
Sa beach pala din tamang hindi mo naman sinasabi.
Gumagano ganyan sa ibang tumaing.
Ihagod mo na lang katawan mo dyan ka.
Sige pa niya. Moisturizer na ba ako? Ate pa amoy.
O, di ko walang masabi. Sige, amoy kami yun.
Ito, amoy niya ba?
Wala.
Oo. 7:46.
Ha? Wala. Bubukas pa kumalita. Pasok na yung kalya. Kasi puro ganda. Okay lang.
Okay guys, so it's our last day here in Taiwan. We are currently waiting for our tour bus that we booked through Klook. We are heading to Taichung even if it's raining a bit. We're just, basta gusto lang namin sulitin talaga yung last day namin here. So yeah, we're on our way to a cafe since na-move yung meet-up time namin to 9:30. So malilate sila and ayaw naman namin tumayo lang doon tapos walang ginagawa till 9:30. So magka-cafe muna kami before our Taichung tour.
You? Okay, so later when I say number 11, raise your hand.
Erosion landscape. So you can see some parts without trees and but fires. So that's why here it called in Mandarin 火焰山, or in English we call that flames of mountain.
home. Okay.
Tapioca bowls, 奶茶 mixed milk tea, 奶茶 means milk tea. So 珍珠奶茶 means bubble tea. So maybe you hear that before, bubble tea and boba tea. So usually we call the bubble tea, that means small of tapioca bowls. If we say boba tea, that means biggest of the tapioca bowls. So what we call biggest of tapioca bowls as the boba, because during my grandpa generation, we were called boba, that means a woman with a big boots. So that's why nowadays we will take this vocabulary to the biggest tapioca bowls.
Lakad pa. Lakad pa. Lakad pa. Hanggang sa Pilipinas na yan. Okay na. Lakad pa.
Drink dito. Grabe guys. Our fit is not equipped. Ang sarap na yan. Malamig. Alam niyo yung natunaw na yelo. Ito yung binubugay yung tunaw na yelo. Hi guys! Guys, stop. Guys, isang batong gawin. Meron we have this in the Philippines. We got it. Hello. Okay, isang shot lang guys. Korea, is this you? This is the last stop for the tour. So far guys, ano masasabi niyo sa tour natin?
Bilis ng pacing. Pero yung, ano siya, hindi nakakapagod.
Dito tayo like
Ate tour guide than the first.
Yeah, same.
Mas ano, nagbibigay siya ng info about the place, his
Madalas-
history.
Madalas-
Fluent din yung English niya. So,
Yeah. 1 to 10 na lang guys. 1 to 10. Anong masasabi niyo sa tour? Kami talaga na lighting.
7.
If the weather was better, baka
Makakaganda pa.
yeah, sayang yung sa
Yung
flower market kasi doon, sobrang lakas ng ulan kanina umaga. Hindi kami masyado nakapag-picture. Kaya...
Anong evidence?
Puro putik na siya. So, parang... sayang lang na ang hirap mag-picture. Yung magsa-stop ka muna para mag-take ng pictures. Tapos, maya-maya, tapos na yung oras mo kasi inantay mo pa yung ulan na tumila. So, putik! Yeah. Kung pupunta kayo ng Taichung, I rather suggest na mag-stay kayo here for at least 2 nights or 2 days, that's 1 night. Tapos, ayun, puntahan nyo na rin yung Sun Moon. Puntahan nyo yun! Puntahan nyo na yung Sun Moon. Tapos ito, puntahan, ito, meron din kasi tayo dito eh. Meron na tayo dito sa Pilipinas. So, mas yung flower.
Tulip season pala.
Yeah, tulip season pa nga.
Or magtagal kayo dun sa theater instead of 30 minutes, habaan nyo.
We like the tour. We like the tour guide. Pero sobrang fast-paced. Tapos yung weather is not cooperating with the full tour. Oh yeah, that's it. We're going back for 2 hours pa yung bus ride namin. Hindi ko alam kung ma-update pa namin kayo after that. Tapos, we're gonna go to the airport na after. So, that's it. That might be it for today's vlog. 1, 2, 3. Una na kami! Ay, ito yung famous, diba? Still cold. I just thought that it's cold in Taichung because of the windmills and with the weather. But, unfortunately, dinala ba namin or sumunod sa amin yung lamig.
Tapos mamaya sa Pilipinas.
Ay! So yeah guys, we were supposed to have dinner since we were dropped off early by the tour. So we were supposed to have dinner first, but it's so damn cold. So we have to go home first and change to our airport clothes before we have our last dinner here in Taipei. But yeah, I'll update you then. Klook. Bakit wala kayo sa departure?
Ano namin ibabalik kung paalis na kami, di ba?
Ay, lumipat pa kami. As in, lumabas pa kami ng departure hall para lang bumalik sa arrival hall. Tapos yung way pa, kailangan mo lumabas ng airport. Oh my gosh.
Pakanta siguro namin. So, arrival. Arrival home. We've arrived already.
Na-welcome to Taiwan pa. Nakahanap na namin. Tuturo ko sa inyo paano pumunta doon in a bit.
Guys, bye.
Hindi rin. Do we recommend?
Itong in particular,
Kasi during
the trip.
Second day,
Second day,
pa lang.
maluwag na yung kable. Third day, wala na.
Yeah, double check your cables first before.
Actually, unit yung problema kasi dito, nag-charge sa kabilang power.
Oo, nagamit pa namin eh.
So,
Pero the rest of the trip, medyo pawa. But yeah, mas better pa rin to than SIM card in my opinion. Lalo na kung ako kasi naka-plan. So, hindi ko kaya yung mag-eSIM. Yeah. So, ayun. Yun lang. Malayo yung pagbabalik. So, Klook.
Tayo lang to kung sumama yung dalawa.
Tapos may dala kaming maleta, ha?
Okay na. Okay.
So, Klook, if you can hear us, maglagay ka ng boot.
Have a counter there at the departure hall as
Add
well.
a counter of your drop-off
of their unit. So that
Sign.
you can return them seamlessly.
Okay? Got that? Please. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Ang cute niya. Keep the receipt for 7 days. So, departure hall.
Let's hope that we stay in the same building.
So guys, I won't be able to show you where we went or saan kami pumasok since we found another route to the departure hall. So we're taking this route and hoping that it would be more easier to go back and we won't need to get out of the building itself. So far, straight ahead lang from Klook counter. Yung mga naka-sign pa naman. I'll show you in a bit. Departure hall.
Ano tawag sa atin? Wait, dapat pala. Di lang tayo.
Dumiretso.
Dapat nagkaanan. Ay, kaliwa. Okay, guys.
Sorry, Klook.
Todo bash sa Klook. Meron palang madaling
Sarang Klook. Mali kami. Mali kami. Okay. So we were eto. Eto siya. Andito na. Dito kami sumakay pa MRT. Dito kami binaba ng car namin. Dun sa kabilang side. Kami binaba. So, right at if you're facing, going inside, left. Pagka left, point na, left ka lang. Then right, yun na yung arrival area. So mali kami. Kasi, focus kami pag check-in. So, diretso kami sa 12. Tapos biglang, yung wifi till 11 na lang. So, we have to return it. Tapos, nandun na kami when we thought about it. So, ayun. That's the nearest direction or diba? The direction na naka-point out. So, don't take that long way. Just go from the back.
Left side.
Yeah.
Turn right.
The very end of the hall.
Turn right.
Dun. Sa dulo. Dun lang siya. Okay?
Sorry, Klook. I'd like to apologize.
Yeah. Sorry, Klook. Saranghe. I love you. Sponsor us.
apparently, before falling in line, you have to print your own boarding pass and baggage tag. So that's what we just did. So all done with that. Medyo naglalag lang yung ano nila, system. All in there sa system na yan. Yeah, they are located in front of the airlines that you are looking for. So, ayan. Okay, very good. So, okay na. Medyo mabagal yung system to do it in advance. Okay? Remove all that. Hi guys! So we are now at the airport. We're waiting to board by 1:30 a.m. So gusto lang namin mag-quick recap about our whole trip. So yeah, do it guys!
Flight namin, February 28, papunta, March 6 pabalik. Weather, good sa first few days. Ngayong araw, maginaw and maulan. Pero overall, perfect for touring.
Yeah.
Yes. People are nice.
People are nice. Hindi namin na-experience yung sobrang init, sobrang, well, yung sobrang init. Yung sobrang init, hindi namin na-experience. Pero
sa
today,
Pilipinas na yun.
Oo. What can we say about the metro? Sa metro naman, it's easy to understand if longer na yung stay mo, I think. Mas naintindihan na namin siya around day 2, siguro day 3.
Long, tas 2 days.
Ganun kami ka-advance.
Pero okay yung metro system nila. They have, I think, nakatulong naman si Google Maps for that. And kita rin naman, they have signages, a lot of signages to guide us where to go. And map, yeah, nakatulong sa amin yung map, kahit the local, the traditional map, printed map. So yeah, okay yung metro nila.
People are very nice. Wala kaming masyadong...
Wala namang nagtara.
Helpful sila.
Helpful sila.
Kahit may language barrier.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tas,
they're trying to communicate naman.
Never natin na-feel na unsafe, no?
Hindi naman.
Yeah.
Lalo paggabi.
Tas wala akong napansin ng mga stray dogs. Or animals.
Sa province.
Dito wala. Sa Taipei.
Yung Taipei. Tas, sobrang linis. Yun yung isa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko
sa Taipei.
Na sobrang linis nila.
Favorite
tour. Sun Moon Lake. Highly recommended.
Hindi tayo nag-tour. We DIY.
DIY.
Watch that video first.
Wow.
Watch in the right place.
Yeah, nakatag, nakalink sa...
Hindi na alam.
So watch that.
How you went there.
And how you can go there.
Yeah.
Actually, I was expecting na magiging favorite ko is Wulay.
Me too.
But no spoilers.
Okay.
Panoodin niyo yung vlog.
I also like Jufen.
Yeah, Jufen.
Wala favorite guys.
Mga
Taipei Zoo, my next favorite.
Yeah.
Yung Red Panda, guys.
Panda pa rin ako.
Guys, pagpunta natin.
Abangan nyo, guys.
Sorry.
Ay,
itut mo na lang ako. Lagi ako nakatuti.
Lagi na vlog din, itot mo.
Abangan mo. Food is not expensive.
Tapos sobrang worth it.
Tapos sobrang sarap.
Sobrang sarap. Iba yung savory din.
Hindi ko na
Ala Pilipinas, pero parang mas healthy side. Ewan ko.
Yeah,
yung mix
sa milk
niya,
tea.
diba?
Doon ko siya na-experience sa milk tea kasi ako sweet milk tea. Yung
Parang
milk
dito
tea.
matabang na sa atin yung milk tea nila. Pero
Yung
sa kanila,
100% nila.
So parang 50% lang nila. 100% natin, 50% lang nila.
So, what does that tell about us?
Pero hindi ko na yung kulang daw sa lasa yung mga food. So, yun kasi isa sa mga raw.
Hindi naman. Okay
Lalo
naman.
na yung mga pork, yung kinain natin.
Depende lang talaga sa
Baka
tao.
sila lang yun.
Guys, see for
Mali yung
yourself.
na-orderan natin. Ay, nila.
Punta kayong Taiwan, tayo.
Lahat nung kinainan namin,
Sarap.
i-list down nyo, lahat yun worth it.
Yeah.
Tapos budget, tapos yan. Ano
Guys,
pa
ang
ba?
sarap ng Taiwanese sausage. Taiwanese sausage.
Kala ko kung ano yung masarap.
Salmon Lake Sausage, guys. Yun.
Salmon Lake.
Yung lalaki.
Hindi na natin.
Sarap din ng Shaolong ba?
Yung Shaolong. Siya sa Salmon Lake.
Shaolong Bao.
Shaolong Bao dito.
Xiaolong Bao, guys. You should try.
Sabi.
Ay,
Sinabi
sinabi
niya,
ko.
Tut na nga itong buong to.
You should try to.
Practice mo.
Okay, guys. Right.
Basta, make sure to double check yung actual places. Yun lang yung pinaka-tip namin sa inyo. Make sure to don't depend just on that. Also, do your research. Kasi, yung sinasabi lang what we are saying here or what we are reviewing is from our experience lang. So, you will also have your own opinions about everything naman.
Pero generally, Taiwan is
But that's basically it for our trip. Thank you guys for watching this series and supporting the channel.
invite others to watch.
Share and like this video, subscribe,
Comment, share.
Una na kami.